The science behind gold purity. The fascinating world of gold purity. What is gold purity and why does it matter? Gold purity refers to the proportion of pure gold in a piece compared to other mixed metals. 100% pure gold is the most valuable and is commonly used in investments, while gold is mixed with other metals like copper or silver to strengthen it for everyday jewelry. The lower the percentage of pure gold in an alloy, the less valuable it is. Hence, purity is a critical factor when buying or selling gold. Understanding the concept of carat, K, and its relationship to gold purity, the unit of measurement for gold is carats. 24 carats equals 100% pure gold. 18 carats equals 75% pure gold, 75% gold plus 25% other metals. 14 carats equals 58.5% pure gold. This system simplifies determining gold quality and affects its market price. For instance, a 24-carat gold item costs significantly more than an 18-carat gold item of the same weight. Types of purity tests we'll explore. Acid testing, a manual and common method used by small-scale traders. X-ray fluorescence, XRF, a modern, non-destructive technique used in specialized shops. Fire assaying, a scientific and precise method often used in refineries and official certifications. The science behind gold testing. Acid testing. How does acid testing work? It involves the use of specific acids that react with the other metals mixed with gold. Scrape a small portion of the gold piece onto a testing stone, then apply acid to the resulting streak. If the streak remains unchanged, the piece is pure or matches the expected carat. If the streak changes color or dissolves, it indicates impurities or a lower carat. Practical application. We use different acids for different carats, 10K, 14K, 18K, and 22K. Small-scale traders often carry acid testing kits to verify the purity of items they buy from customers. Example. If you're testing an 18-carat ring and the streak disappears after applying the acid, it means the ring is less than 18 carats. Limitations and drawbacks. Hazards. The acids can cause damage if they contact your skin or clothing. Inaccuracy. Not ideal for high-purity gold, 22K and 24K. Damage. It involves scraping a small portion of the gold, which may affect the value of delicate or ornamental pieces. Gold purity testing. The modern approach. What is X-ray fluorescence, XRF? XRF is a modern and precise technique that uses X-rays to analyze the surface of a gold piece. The rays excite the atoms in the gold and other metals, causing them to emit energy that can be measured to determine their composition. How does XRF work? A handheld or desktop XRF device receives the gold piece. The device provides an instant report detailing the exact percentages of gold and other metals in the piece. This method is ideal for examining large pieces or gold bars without scratching or damaging them. Advantages of XRF. It is non-destructive, requiring no scraping or scratching. Fast. Results are available in under a minute. Highly accurate. Measures gold content with up to 0.01% precision. This product is ideal for use in large jewelry shops or businesses dealing with significant gold quantities. Practical example. If you're a jewelry shop owner or investor needing to verify the purity of a newly purchased gold bar, an XRF device will provide accurate results within moments. Exploring advanced testing techniques. Fire assaying. This method is considered the most accurate worldwide. We use materials like lead to melt a gold sample at very high temperatures to separate impurities. We weigh the resulting pure gold to ascertain its exact purity. Why is fire assaying used? Refineries use it to certify or produce gold bars, ensuring their purity before selling or listing them on the market. While extremely accurate, it destroys the sample, making it unsuitable for small or decorative pieces. Other advanced methods. Density measurement. We submerge gold in water and measure its density to determine its purity. Pure gold has a density of 19.32 grams per square centimeter. Electrical testing. Electrochemical testing. We use a small electric current to test the purity of the metal based on its electrical resistance. The importance of accuracy in the gold market, where a single bar can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, accuracy is essential to avoid financial losses. Bullion markets and banks that trade gold frequently use these advanced tests. Conclusion. Making informed decisions. Summary of different testing methods. Acid testing is simple and cost-effective, but it can damage the item and is not precise for high-purity gold. XRF is a non-destructive, accurate, and fast method, but it is more expensive and requires specialized equipment. Fire assaying. The most accurate method but costly and destructive to the sample. The importance of choosing reputable dealers when purchasing gold. Ensure you deal with certified dealers who provide authentic purity certificates. These certificates should detail the purity percentage and include an official signature. How to benefit from this information. Before buying or selling gold, select the testing method that suits your needs. Inquire with the seller about the purity verification process. If you're an investor or trader, investing in an XRF device can be a smart decision to ensure accurate transactions.